Let's make a hip-hop beat using Sistema plugin. I'll start by adding keys. Analog type of keys would work great. Wow! This generation reminds me the old type Juno keys. Let's add an extra synthesizer layer to our keys. I think it will make the sound more atmospheric. Now I want to check all the instruments together. Perfect. Let's generate melody layer. This one is dope. All the instruments together. I'll raise the melody one octave up to make it more audible in the mix. Sounds great. Now let's add some low end to our beat. I think the classic 808 bass would be the perfect choice. Sounds great. I also added drum loop at the last track. Let's check the final result. Go to our website and download your copy of the plugin.